Good morning. My name is Joanna Agila, and I'll be sharing with you about girls' education in the 21st century, gender equality, empowerment, and growth. So, my presentation was inspired on the book we are reading about Malala. Her desire to learn caused her to be shot in the head by the Taliban. She survived and is still a strong advocate for girls' education. Her father inspired and supported her through all her trials and efforts. So, women in Pakistan. Malala is just an example out of millions. Westerners usually associate the plight of Pakistani women with religious oppression, but the reality is far more complicated. There is a mindset which is deeply ingrained in this kind of patriarchal societies like Pakistan. So, pure and uneducated women must struggle daily for basic rights like recognition and respect. They must live in a culture that defines them by the male figures in their families, even though these women are often the breadwinners for their families. Here is a short video that I wanted to share with you, and it let us see inside
Meantime,
the
also
life
from
of these
Pakistan
women.
tonight, a remarkable story of survival. Women who endured horrific abuse, acid attacks, a form of violence against women in that part of the world. Tonight, Nick Schiffer reports from Lahore, Pakistan, where women who were victims experiment with violence. It was 3 years ago that Sally married off at 16, she refused to move into his house. He threw acid on her. Okay. I felt as if my daughter had been taken away from me, her father says. Acid attacks are common in South Asia, often carried out by family members, often only because women were trying to claim their basic rights. These girls were students there were attempting to go to school. Usually attackers go free like sellers of alcohol or women who are shunned by society.
So, this is what I wanted to show you um, about the condition of women in Pakistan. So, going back to the presentation where I was, there are changes that are happening, and women are being empowered, are feeling empowered. So, quietly, slowly, in piecemeal legal reforms, female empowerment is coming in Pakistan. NGOs and other kind of organizations are trying to help empower women, but not all women are taking advantage of these resources. There are many reasons for that. So they fear their husbands or attracting unwanted attention, somehow hurting the honor of their families, or often they simply don't know that help exists. With female literacy at 36%, many women are too uneducated to know their own rights. Um, Sadly, more than 50% of women lack basic education, and only 30%, as we have said before, earn some kind of income. And even though, women earn the money, somehow it doesn't belong to them because it's their husband that controls their income or whatever they get paid. So growth. Women comprise 48.76% of the total population in Pakistan, yet they are severely outplaced by men in the workforce. In the July 2018 election, there was an increase of 3.8 million newly registered women voters. Likewise, women are getting higher roles in the workplace. I wanted to share with you an example of some pioneer women in Pakistan who are um, starting to place in non-traditional fields. Some of these examples are Samina Bey, who is the first Pakistani woman to scale Mount Everest. We have also Hina Rabani Kar, who is the first female Minister of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan, and Dr. Femira Mirza, the first female Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan. Of course, we are learning too about Malala, and we have learned about First Minister Benazir Bhutto. So women are little by little gaining the respect they, they need and they want, and it belongs to them as a basic right. Some urban women are more educated and active, knowing their rights, but women in rural, those poor areas tend to stay home. Um, well, this is it. This is my presentation for today. Um, Thanks a lot. Here are some works cited. Thanks again for listening.